Hello friends, so today we will discuss how we can create, compile and deploy our XRC721 NFT tokens using Truffle. So first of all, before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe this channel because we will be continuously giving you tutorials regarding XDC community. Please first of all subscribe to this channel and after that please shall move on with So before starting this tutorial, we should know that what is an XRC721 token. So XRC721 token is like a token standard which we use to create non-fungible tokens in a XDC blockchain. So like this token standard is having a set of functions like you can see save transfer from, approve, get approved, set approval for all, and is approved for all. Like all these functions are having some parameters like save transfer from is having farm address, true address, and token ID. So like these functions are used to transfer tokens from one person to another. Then this approve function is used to approve a specific token ID to any other person so that that person, like suppose there are two persons X and Y, and the person X has approved some tokens which he is having that the person Y can use those tokens without like any other permission, so he can approve it, and we are having get approved for all, and is approved for all. So like these are all functions. So like we don't have to go in that much depth because all these functions are already implemented in the OpenZeppelin library. So we what we'll be doing in this tutorial is we'll be just like getting this full smart contract from the OpenZeppelin library and just modifying it to our needs. And this is what you'll be doing in all your smart contracts which are linked to NFT tokens. Like you'll be just like fetching the contracts from OpenZeppelin library and just modifying it according to your needs. Uh, as I talked about the major functions, we are also having some major events, which are approval, transfer, and approval for all. So, like events are like specific, like you can say timelines, or like whenever there is a change happening on the blockchain, and it is associated to an event. Like when I am transferring some tokens to my friend, and I have fired a transfer event. So what will happen is the whole blockchain will know that someone has made a transfer, and the ledger which is having the details of the whole tokens, that this person is having this amount of tokens and that person is having that amount of tokens, this whole ledger would have to be updated. So whenever an event occurs, uh, uh, we just update all the entries which are present in the blockchain. And after that, we are having some few metadata also, metadata variables. These are name and symbol. Like these name and symbol are the major deciding factor of our NFT token. Like we will be identifying a smart NFT token with this name and symbol. Like name is the like name which we are giving to our NFT, and symbol is from which we can identify our NFT. Like after we know about the subscription tokens, we should also know about hard hat, with which we'll be creating this contract, or you can say no, a truffle instead. So like truffle is a blockchain development environment which is used to create, compile, and deploy our smart contracts to any EVM compatible chains. So like we'll be using truffle in this tutorial. And as you know, like as we are having some info about Truffle and some info about XR721 tokens, so we can move forward with our tutorial. First of all, what we'll be doing is we'll be setting up a development environment. In this starting phase, there are some prerequisites to this tutorial. The first one is you should have Node.js installed to your system because we will be like importing the npm packages and then calling all the different functions. This will all be possible only by using Node.js. So first of all, you should have Node.js installed to your system, and after that, you can have Git also installed to your system. Like Git is a version control system uh, with which we can like manage any changes that has occurred in our system. So like Node.js is the required one, and Git, if it's not available, then even that's good. Okay. After that, we have successfully fulfilled our prerequisites. We can move forward with our first command, that is npm install -t truffle. So what this command will do is it will just globally install Truffle to my whole system. So I'll be just going to my VS Code, and here I'll be copying this command to my terminal, and then I manage to Truffle. This command will install Truffle to all over my system. So now I've had Truffle installed on my system. What I'll be doing is I'll just check whether it is successfully installed or not by using this command Truffle. This command will show me all the different versions of this my Truffle and Ganache, Solidity, Node, and Webscratch. After that, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new Truffle project. For that, I'll be creating a new folder with the name XRC721. I'll be creating a folder XRC721, and after that, I'll be moving on to that specific folder in the terminal. I'll move it, and after that, I'll be running this command truffle init. Like this command will be used to initialize truffle in my folder with fast container, and as you can see now that it has created a boilerplate code for my contract or my project. After this is done, what I'll be doing is I can either like I have to install my dependencies associated with the project. So I can either use yarn or npm. Like both are my package manager. For this tool, I'll be using yarn. So first, I'll be like globally importing or globally installing yarn. This command will globally install yarn on the system. It's done, and after that, I'll first initialize yarn in this tutorial or in this repository. Now you can see that it has taken me from that.json, and then I'll be installing my dependencies, Truffle HP wallet provider, and .env. So, like you can see that yarn is installing my packages to my this directory. And now you can see that all my packages are installed in my directory. After that, I'll create a new file.env in the class. And in this file, I'll be storing all my environment variables, include my mnemonic. So, like mnemonic is a 12 to 24 word seed phrase which contains all the details of creating with our smartphone without a wallet. So like whenever we create a new wallet, it gives us a 24 or 12 words seed phrase which we have to like keep secure, because uh, in case our wallet is lost, so we can grab it back with the help of the seed phrase. And like please, it's a wise advice that do not share the seed phrase with anyone, like even to your close friend, because what can happen is they can easily steal your funds by getting the access of this seed phrase. Please never share this secret with anyone. Okay. After we are done this, then we'll move forward with the truffle config.js file. I'll just copy the contents of this file and this truffle config.js. I'll just paste the contents of the full file with me. So what I'm doing here is I'm just importing my environment variables and then initializing my HT wallet provider. After that, I'm like writing or adding my networks to my HT wallet provider. Like the first one is related to the mainnet and the second one is related to the testnet. After that, I've also specified my solidity version, which I need to like specify with my contract. After that, I can like go to my Truffle console by following this command. Like this command gives me access to the like from this command I can use many commands directly. It just gives me a console, Truffle console. My console is updated. Here, if I add the command account, it should just show me all the different accounts, their like addresses, which are associated with that this you can say my seed phrase. So what I'll be doing is I'll be grabbing the first one and I'll add my funds to this address. For that, um, like if you closely observe that the first two characters of this address is 0 and X, so which clearly specifies that this is an Ethereum address and will not work like directly in this XDC network. So what I will be doing is first, when I go to my faucet to grab some funds for this account, what I will be doing is I will be replacing the first two letters 0 and X with XDC. And after that, when I fully grab school and request for 1000 XDCs, then it should credit those tokens to my wallet. Like as you can see over here. Okay. So when till this command, till this work we have done, after that we can move forward to the main work of this tutorial, that is to create smart contracts and then deploy them. That will be creating a new file XRC721.full in a contracts folder. Okay, so the contracts folder and creating XRC721.full. After that, I need to do this shell. So if I talk about about contract, the first line is specifying the license agreement. The second line is specifying the like which solidity version is this command or this contract is applicable for. So like I was specified that any version above 0.810, this contract is okay to run. And after that, what I have done is I have specified or like I have created a class contract class. If you know about any object-oriented language like JavaScript, like we create classes in JavaScript. Similarly, we have created a contract class. Okay. After that, like as I have already mentioned, that we'll be using OpenZeppelin to import the like already implemented templates. So for that, firstly, I'll be using this command to import or to add these OpenZeppelin contracts to my repository. Now, as OpenZeppelin is installed to my system, what I will be doing is I just grab this page and I'm first importing the ERC721 encounters file from my OpenZeppelin smart contract, and after that I'm initializing the counter which I associated. After that, like as we have discussed about different events and all different functions which are like written in the smart contract in our OpenZeppelin, you can like get more info by reading the smart contracts on the OpenZeppelin directory. Because like what this is what you all will be doing in your real life, that to just grab the templates from OpenZeppelin and modify them according to your needs. Okay. Now I'll be moving to the final stage of my smart contract, that is to write the constructor function and my this other function. Here I have added my constructor function, which is taking two parameters, name and symbol, and then I'm passing those two parameters to my ERC721 smart contract, which I've already inherited, and then passing those variables to this ERC721 contract. And then in this function create token, what I am doing is I'm just getting an address, XDC address, and then I'm minting my NFT tokens to that particular address. Like the code is very simple. And after that, what I will be doing is I will be just compiling and deploying my smart contracts. So to compile my smart contracts, I will be running this command in a terminal to compile. So what this command will be doing is it will just compile my smart contracts. Now as you can see that my smart contract is compiled. So what I can next do is I can deploy it to my application test network or my mainnet. But before that, I have to like create a script for my migrations, or you can say my deployment. So what I will be doing is I'll be going to my migrations folder and adding one new file, one token migrations file. Just copy the name of this file and then the migration. I'll just add a new file. And then paste in the contents of this file. So you can see that what I'm doing here is firstly I'm like wrapping my smart contract which I have deployed or which I've compiled or which I have to deploy, and then after that I'm specifying my name and symbol which I have to show or which I think is associated with my smart contract, and then I'm deploying them to my academic network. After that, to deploy smart contract to the mainnet, I'll be using this one, Truffle migrate hyphen network shrinking, and to deploy smart contracts to the Appian network, we can use this second command, Truffle migrate hyphen network Appian. So for this tutorial, I'll be using Appian network. So I'll copy the second command and paste it over here. So this command should migrate my smart contract from to the Appian test network. Now, as you can see that my contract is deployed, and to get these contract address, you can see that there is my contract address. But if you are checking your contract address at the point of time, what you can do is you can just grab this my network, and it will give you the list of already deployed contracts from your like Truffle. You can see here I have deployed my contract in XRC721, and this is my contract address. This time also you can see that this is an recipient address. So we have first converted to XDC. And to check this enterprise smart contract on the blockchain, I'll move to my blockchain. So, in a second, here you can see that this is my contract. Yeah, my token. You can verify that. Yeah, okay. And this is my transaction, or you can see my deployment that I have deployed my smart contract. To verify my smart contract, I have to click on this button, verify and publish. So you can see an interface like this, where I'm having this area to write my smart contract, then here I have to write my smart contract name, and here I have to use the compiler version that is used to compile my smart contract. So in the name of contract name, what I will be writing is I'll be writing XRC721. Okay. And compiler version also I can check from here. It has compiled my smart contract to 0.8.17. I click this one, and to like in the place of smart contract, what I have to do is I just have to first flatten out my smart contract. So because what happens is whenever we are importing some other contracts in our file, first we have to like create a flattened file which contains all the different code pieces bind up together in one single file, and then that file would be like I can say used to verify a smart contract. Yeah, so to flatten out my smart contract, what I will be doing is first I have to add a new what I can say a new package, that is Truffle Flattener, to my disability. I can do it by yarn or npm. I'll do it by npm. Install Truffle Flattener. And so this command will let's install my Truffle Flattener to this what I can say this project, and then I'll be using this Truffle Flattener to flatten out my smart contract. My Truffle Flattener is installed, so now I'll be running a command, that is Truffle Flattener. Then I'll have to give the path to my smart contract, that is contracts slash XRC 721.tool. Then with the greater than sign, I'll be giving the file name of my flattened.smart contract. So I can say flattened token. So when this command runs, it will create a new file flattened token.c, and it contains all the code which I can just copy paste in over here. And when I click the submit button, it will just like you can say verify my smart contract on this test network. I'll just click on the submit button and my smart contract would be verified. And you can see that my smart contract is verified. I'm having a new tab called contract update, which signifies that my smart contract is verified. And in this contract tab, you can see that and there is my smart contract and the contract ABI, and also my byte code associated with the smart contract. Okay. After that, we'll also check that how we can add this smart contract or this token to my XDC wallet. So that will be doing it. I'll just copy this smart contract address and go to my XDC wallet, where when I click on this add token button, in here add the token address, it will automatically fetch my token symbol that is MTP. When I click on this add button, it adds my token to my wallet. So today in this tutorial, we just learned how we can create, compile, and deploy our XRC721 tokens using Truffle, and then how to verify them on Block Explorer, and after that, how to add those deployed tokens to our XDC wallet. Okay, if you like this tutorial, then please give it a big thumbs up, please like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel because we will be adding more and more content so that you can learn more about XDC community. So, thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.